Hello everyone. Now Diwali is coming and today I am going to show you one of the healthy and sweet dish for Diwali, and the name of this dish is dry fruit laddus without using ghee. So the ingredients for this recipe are cashew nuts, kaju, almonds, pistachio or pista, raisins or kishmish, walnuts or akhroot, and this is poppy seed or khaskhas. I have roasted these poppy seeds for 3 minutes. The most important is dates or khajur. So let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe I am going to use chopper. Don't use mixer because I want to just crush the dry fruits. So if you use a mixer, all these dry fruits becomes very oily and powdered. So I don't want that type of consistency. So I just want to crush these dry fruits. So I am going to use chopper. So what we have to do is that add all the dry fruits which I am going to tell you, that is almond or badam, pistachio, cashew nuts and walnuts. The quantity of walnuts becomes less as compared to other dry fruits because many times we don't like the taste of walnuts, so please use it in a lesser quantity. Now I am going to crush the dry fruits. Make sure that the dry fruit should not get powdered, so speed should be slow. Let me check. I think these are perfect now. So I'm going to put this into a bowl. So I want such type of consistency. Now in order to make laddus, we have to add raisins because we have not crushed it into the chopper, and also add our poppy seeds or roasted khaskhas. Mix it well. Since in this recipe we are not using ghee, so how to make laddus? So for that I am going to use here dates, and I have removed the seeds of that dates or khajur, and add how much quantity of dates we have to add. It will be depend on our binding of laddus. If you feel that the laddus are not binded, so you can add more plain khajur or dates. So I am going to add here little bit, and then if I want to add more, then I will add. If I feel that the laddus are not properly binding, we have to use our hands, then only we can bind the laddus. Crush these dates so that we can bind the laddus. I'm going to use little bit of khajur. These dates or khajur are really healthy. It contains lots of hemoglobin. So many times these laddus are also called as hemoglobin laddus. these dry fruit laddus are really healthy for the mother of newborn baby also, because many times mother of newborn baby eat dry fruit laddu which contains lots of ghee, and then it really puts fat, and it will be difficult after delivery, it will be difficult to cut that fat. So a mother of newborn baby can also eat these. Now I think we are very much near to bind our dry fruit laddus, because a dough, all these dry fruits are binded now, and it appears like a dough. So now we can make laddus. See here, these dry fruits are free, so for that again add some khajur if you feel like that, and so that we can bind it easily. Now this consistency really perfect, so we can bind the laddus. So you can make the size according to your choice. You know, since these are a dry fruit laddus, so make small, because many times childrens, they don't eat the complete laddu, so it will get waste. So I am going to show you the small size. Okay, so really amazing, no? Without using ghee, you can make these dry fruit laddus, and whatever may be the fat present into these laddus, these are very healthy fats which comes from all the dry fruit, and poppy seeds are also very healthy. So our dry fruit laddus are ready. Make this Diwali special with special sweet.